What's good? We're back. So we're back on this again. These, I don't know, camera's not really doing it justice, but they're like yellow. You can just see there, like they're hazy, they're fucked. So I'm gonna have a go at that. And on the subject of cleaning things up, I decided to ball out because, as you know, I've had stolen and acquired pressure washers over my time. So I decided, you know what, channel's gonna ball out. We hit 100 subs today, so that was like sick. Stoked, thanks for that. If you're watching and you are subscribed, thank you very much. Yeah, so we decided to get a shop vac because I'm really sick of borrowing them. The spot cleaner I've had for a while, I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but that's going to happen. We're going to get this Supra cleaned up. I also need to clean all the rest of my cars up. I also managed to find this, which I think is sick. So it's not very clear, but this basically breaks it down so you can get into all those like crappy spots like window sills and weird things. Microfiber, everyone needs those. And then we hit that snow cannon goodness. But I've got, when Patrick's car comes here, I know he wants to clean out the engine bay, so it's kind of like time for me to commit to this. I'm also really sick of my cars being covered in dust, so it's gurney time. Gurney 3600. If you're wondering what the Bunnings part number is, it's a GPW-3600. 77 litres a minute max output, 55 litres per minute minimum output. Yeah, look, I spent a whole heap of time just reading the Bunnings thing last night. Before you Karcher kids just come at me for that one, I wanted a gurney, so too bad. But yeah, so I've got some old kit and polish down here. I'm going to set that up. I might film some of it. Some of you may have noticed the wheels are back on the Supra. I'm hoping to get it all back down on the ground today. I have tightened all the front suspension bolts after swapping all that over, which I may have filmed. I will find out when I edit that. The exhaust has to go back away somewhere because it's just on the floor. All the tyres are going to be pumped up, but the aim is to get this thing back on the ground today. Once it's on the headlights, because they're a super convenient height. And yeah, like just actually get somewhere with something. Okay, so literally that's first pass. This cutting compound is so out of date. That obviously has a little bit of the cutting compound wiped into it, but not too much. But like, look at it, dull, crap, can't see. Damn, like, dude, damn, this came out alright. So I don't know. I think I can't remember. I learned this years ago somewhere. I'm pretty sure Dad showed me how to do this, so like props. And yeah, all I've done is wipe some like light cutting compound in. For those of you that are wondering, I'm using kitten cutting compound. It doesn't say much else on it, but yeah, whatever. Like, you saw the first clip. Like, what a difference. Like, honestly, a good cutting compound is better than most of these kits that people are buying, so do yourself a favour and do some research on that, because those kits kind of suck. I'm going to carry on. I'll film some more later, but I'm going to get this other one done. I'll do a couple more passes on this, clean this up a bit, and then yeah, we'll pump the tires. Alright, so before I show you what I did with the headlights, we got a special guest. It's Franco. He's returned from house arrest.
Yep.
Tell him the story, Franco. Come on. Tell them what happened to you.
The Southside scumbag went to Burnside. Yep.
Got COVIDed.
Yep.
COVID-19, another victim. Franco. But you passed all your tests, didn't you, Frank?
Yeah.
Good man.
Yeah.
We're proud of you.
Thank you.
You've done well. You worked hard to do that.
Survivor.
Alright, so I've done like 3 passes on these headlights and I am insanely impressed. Like, I thought these were done. I literally thought these headlights were dusted, and they are really not that bad. It looks like someone's clear coated them at some point. Oh look, just take both in, and a bit of Franco. Oh look, god damn. Sheesh. Okay, that angle doesn't look great, but it's got LEDs on it, but honestly, I'm happy. They're not hazy yellow. It looks brand new. I've thrown the cover back on it. So that'll just do for now. Because we're done with the spark plug leads. So I'll pump up the tires and we drop this thing back down.
And that out of nowhere is like, sheesh.
Sheesh. So I should probably hook it up because Franco hasn't heard the exhaust. So let's get a Franco opinion. So let me figure out how to do battery terminals with one hand. Not about it. You just start it up.
Nah, it's my key now.
You don't need a key.
Oh yeah, push
Flip
up.
the switches, idiot.
Which one?
Both of them. It's out of gear.
I'll double check. Pretty quiet.
It's not bad, considering it's leaking.
Quieter than my Subaru.
Bloody oath it is. Let's pump up tyres. Alright, so bonus round. I did the rears. There is like some sort of weird glue mark and that's now full of cutting compound, but that doesn't matter because I got a spare set of tails apparently. But this one, I'm not mad about it. It's not bad. Also, bonus characters entered the chat. Ricky P, come on.
What's going on?
You heard it before. Tell us how you feel about the new headlights and the new exhaust. You feeling it?
Dude, I was shocked. As soon as I walked in, like, it was just incredible. Like, going from how hazy it was before to, like, how crystal clear it is now. Have you shown the people yet?
Yeah, we've shown them. We'll show them down. Now it's just like natural light. There's no LEDs on it.
Beautiful, man. Look at this crispy.
It is actually kind of crispy. Like, I really hope the camera does it justice because, like, it's crispy.
Yeah.
I'm pumped.
That's so good.
I also threw the timing cover back on just because it's convenient. We're done now. But yeah.
I'm impressed.
Can everyone please go into the comments and tell Ricky that we need to start building his shit? Because I'm tired of his garbage and I'm really over it. Ricky, we're going to build your damn Cooper, alright?
I know. Literally just went and bought a go-kart frame so I could start another project or something.
Hey!
Wait, is it? It couldn't be.
It is.
It's the one and only.
It is.
Oh no! He's in the dark, he's a ninja. Who is it? Wait, check it out. It's here, he's here. Check the fit, G.
Man, I'm just wearing clothes.
He's looking fresh.
Sheesh.
Okay.
Lucky cut, G. My guy, check it. Paddy Dubs has rocked up, we've done some shit.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh shit! This guy's gonna be like, oh, when you do my engine swap, can you do mine? Alright, look at that smile. This man's like, I ain't gonna ask.
He's already
I don't say
knows
shit.
what's going on.
Now you've said it, I ain't saying shit. Wait, what about this, Paddy? I've got one for you. Let me do some fisting.
Why is it so quiet?
Bro, it's a whole ass exhaust right there. This thing has more holes in it than fucking Titanic. Also, I found a crack. There's a huge crack right there.
That wouldn't be helpful.
Well, it doesn't help when you do this and it just like flaps a bit. Wait, don't wreck that. I might have to repair that, yeah. But yeah, it's my guy Paddy Dubs. My guy who is really terrible at messaging, even though I'm like, oh hey, I want to swap your engine. He's like, oh, I'll just leave it on red.
The actual slave. I was watching Harry Potter.
Hey look, that's a good enough excuse for me, alright?
Alright, we're on.
It is pretty blurry.
Come here.
Hello.
I can't even get it. Nah, fuck you.
That's it, come on big boy. Oh gee,
hell.
what my guy?
Holy hell.
Sheesh! And in that fit too, my man.
Oh, this is so...
Ladies, he is not single, so watch your shit, alright? My man's got a lady, and she's a fine one at that. Huh.
Is it 10?
I don't know, I stopped counting, but it looks like 10.
Oh.
Hey, just do 10 real quick.
I think that's 10.
Whoever comments and tells us how many you did, I don't know, we'll send you a sticker or something. Actually, I'll send you a special sticker of Paddy Wubbs over here. He knows exactly what I'm talking about.
I'm trying to remember what I got him.
So yeah, anyway, now that we've finished doing absolutely no chin-ups and an amount of educated supervising, that felt like the Olympics. You know what? I'm giving that a Tokyo gold medal. Fuck it. The medalist for weirdest, most impressive fit chin-ups in a shed ever. Anyway, so we took the door cut off because you like, I had an issue here. My no door lock. Bit missing. So I got door locks. But yeah, so we've taken this off.
What were you going?
Can't leave you two anywhere, eh?
Sacks.
Alright, give us some sacks. Give us a beatbox down it.
No, I'm gonna put my lips on it. I'm fucking done.
Come on, give us a beatbox.
What do you mean? No, I'm good.
Give us a beatbox.
Do you, dog?
Fucking useless, eh? So yeah, I've taken off the door card. Obviously someone's been in here at some point and taken the door lock out. So I'm assuming they resealed this for whatever reason. But yeah, so I'll get to it and we'll come back when we actually achieve something or these idiots do something else funny. Oh man, just every time you touch this car it gets worse.
What's his name from the Muppets? And he's like, me, 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 me.
Yeah.
Me, me, me. Benson Honeydew.
Jesus. Oh, what am I working with here? However, comment below if you've missed Paddy and Franco and Ricky.
I'm always in it.
I gotta be honest, it is kind of nice like having everyone here. Even though everyone's just fucking with everything. At this point, it's just a mess. So, I don't know, we might film some more. I don't know, I probably will. But this... It's like 8 degrees, what are you doing?
I'm sweating.
Oh, sorry, oh look.
I'm sweating.
Dude, you might as well just give the viewers what they want.
No.
Look at him shy, look at him. He's so shy but tough.
No.
Look at that car. My man is icy as shit.
Someone comment about the fucking
This man looks like a Hackham version of Drake, bro. I need a one spliff. Alright, this is chaos. I'm gonna go do something. At least when you rev it, you don't... What was that?
Engine from the garden.
Go do it properly. Stop jerking everyone off.
Wait, look at it. Something like that.
Look at him get nervous.
Hey! Wow.
So, I don't know who was the last person to open this door lock, but like, what'd you open it with? A hammer and a screwdriver? Like, my man, I found this in the door. Also, it turns out the door lock's in the door. So that's really annoying because I don't have a key. But luckily I got spare door locks. Other than Farty McGee here shitting through my door, I've made a discovery. Like, just how? Like, how have you achieved this? What did you try to open it with? A rusty teaspoon and 3 extra chromosomes? What the fuck? I'm not a fan. I don't know why. Let me get it out so we can have another look. Oh, what? Bro, NOS install? The actual fuck goes on in your head, eh?
crack it up.
Okay, so other than doing crack, I got the door handle out because the door handle obviously screws the door lock in, so I kind of see how they broke it because whatever they hit it with was hard. So I got a new door lock in. I actually have a key for this. It does kind of look funny with no door lock in it though, like I'm not super mad, it does look funny. And here's like the old one in about 9 pieces. So yeah, we've made some progress, but I'll probably... Oh, you know what? I'm probably going to round the video out here because the battery's going to be low. There might be more. I'm doubting it, but there might be. But we've had all the homies here today. We got Paddy, We've got Frank and Ricky. We're the whole team here, so it's kind of good. Hopefully we're going to swap Paddy's car like in the next month. So he should be here telling me how much he loves me and wants to do it and what else he needs, but we'll figure it out. And these two, who really knows with these two at this point? But yeah, if you just comment below and say you want to see a Corona Coupe on the channel and tell Ricky that we should work on it, that'd be lovely, alright? And Frank, you just keep doing God's work, which is scaffolding. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and Paddy Dubs.
We can peace out with my car.
Alright. Have a great night.
Slow it down with emphasis.
Sir, can I please get your license and registration?
Can't see
Sir,
your lights.
Sir, you're colored. License and registration. Hands up, consume! Alright. Ricky P's out. Franco's out. We're about to be out. But more importantly, door opens, alright? My guy. Door locks again. So I have one working door lock. This is the American dream. But yeah, that's enough PS pieces. Good night.